Hey everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm working on a 12 by 12 layout from this sketch. This is the Citrus Twist Kit's Sunday sketch, and that's the one I'll be working from today. I've chosen papers from the Scrapbooking add-on kit, and I've cut the blue paper and the green paper to size. I'm basically following the rough design of the sketch for my background. So just layering those two pieces together. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my sewing machine, and I'm going to add a little bit of stitching to that before I start adding some other bits and pieces. Okay, so next up I've got some more bits and pieces from the Scrapbooking add-on kit as well as the Life Crafted kit. So that yellow striped paper is from the add-on kit, the text paper is from the Life Crafted kit, and then I've got these cute little pink pieces, which was actually one piece that I've cut in half because I do want to have a little bit peeking out from the top of the photo and a little bit peeking out from the bottom. So I've just cut that one in half. That's part of the ephemera from the kit. So as you can see, I'm just tucking that underneath, just got a little bit of double-sided tape to hold it in place. Just making sure I get the right amount peeking out, and that other piece is going in down the bottom there. Okay, so I'll just go to reposition that, a little bit fiddly, just making sure I've got it nicely lined up so that it's not too obvious that it's one piece cut in half. I've also got a little ticket to place down that bottom corner of the photo, and I'm going to stick this one on now because I'm going to stitch a line across that piece and I want it to catch in the stitching from the sewing machine. So I'm just doing that now, so that's done. Now my photo can go back on top. So I'm just going to tuck the corner of that photo just underneath the edge of that ticket, just so it's overlapping a little bit. Now before I stitched across the top of the green paper, I did remove the top part of that pink ticket because I wanted that to be free of the stitching. Alright, so now I've decided to add a little bit of vellum in underneath the photo just to add a little bit of, well, an extra layer to where that green paper is. Just added a couple of staples to the top of that vellum just to hold it down in place. Next up, as you can see on the sketch, there's a little circular embellishment down the bottom left corner of the photo. So I've added that on to the left of the photo there, and then I've got one of these fabric ephemera pieces from the Life Crafted kit, which I've just added onto that circle. My journaling I've just typed up using my typewriter, and I'm going to tuck that in just under the right hand side of the photo there. Alright, so just deciding to add a little bit of stitching just across the top of the journaling, and now I can go ahead and add some pretty bits and pieces. So I've got these two gorgeous floral pieces that were from the ephemera pack in the Scrapbooking add-on kit. So I've got foam dots behind that one there. The other one was just stuck on with double-sided tape, but I do have a foam dot to go under the leaf of that flat flower, and I've just tucked a little third one in there as well. So there I'm just adding that foam dot to the back of that leaf, just adding a little bit of dimension there. And I do want to stick that little white flower down properly, so I'm just adding a little bit of double-sided tape to that. Okay, deciding what to do next. I have this circular fabric ephemera piece from the Life Crafted kit that I want to add at the top left hand area of the layout, where you can see on the sketch it's got title. So that's what I'm working on now. I want to create a little cluster up in this corner here. So I've got the pink foam alphabet stickers from the Life Crafted kit, and I'm using my T-square ruler to stick all of those down in a nice straight line, just slightly overlapping that Good Stuff fabric circle. Alright, so that's on there now. I've got some word stickers from the Scrapbooking add-on kit to go underneath there. So just bringing some of that blue and green up to this section of the page. And then I've got another little floral die cut to add there as well. So I'm just repositioning that circle. I just wanted a little bit more room to put that flower. I just wanted the flower to be up a little bit. Alright, so I've added some stitching to the side of that fabric circle and also along the word stickers as well. And I'm just adding that floral piece with a foam dot. So next I'm going to do a little bit of stamping up in that cluster, and I'm using the This Is Life Fear stamp set that you can get in the Citrus Twist store. You can get that one separately. So I want to stamp the word today just above where it says Happy Campers, and because these foam alphabets stickers are dimensional, I'm just removing a few of those so it doesn't interfere with my stamping. Alright, so I'm happy with that. Just going to put that paper over the top of the fabric ephemera piece so I didn't get any ink on it. And now that word is stamped. I'm really happy with how beautiful and crisp it's turned out. I've got another little phrase stamp from the same stamp set that's just going underneath those word stickers. And now I can go ahead and stick the rest of those alphabet stickers back into place. So to finish off that little cluster, I'm just adding this yellow puffy heart. Those puffy stickers were from the add-on kit as well. I'm just going to add the date just underneath my journaling there. Give you a closer look at that. I will add another little heart down near that journaling very shortly. You'll see me do that. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing my interpretation of the sketch today. So if you'd like to play along, you'll find this sketch on the Citrus Twist blog today. I'd love to see what you come up with, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I've done here. So I'll see you again soon. Let me know if you've got any questions, just pop it down below, and have a great day. Bye for now.